Let me
I
finish.
have one question.
Okay. Go ahead.
What is the minimum size challah you can eat on Shabbos?
Okay, that's a good question. So I'm going to answer whatever one before later on. So the minimum amount to eat, like minimum, it would be 1 ounce. 1 ounce if you eat, so you fulfill your obligation. So 1 ounce, like no, it depends what kind of bread you use. So it could be 1 slice or even 2/3 of the slice. Depends on the kind of bread. So it's for sure not a lot. So and that's what we recommend of people, like especially in the winter time when people are not hungry for the third meal of Shabbos. So we said at least eat like small piece. Like even though like maybe like first of all, don't overeat during the Shabbos morning, like on the Shabbos morning meal. So you have the appetite like tiny piece, like half a slice. I mean depends on the bread, maybe full slice, but it's not much. I would say like if you have a pita, some people like to eat pita for whatever reason. So we also eat pita, right? So you cut in half, and like half of the pita is more than enough, for sure.